Ino ni family ya Laura Kwasira iri nyumba-ini ya kwigamira ya Naikuru PGH igieterera maumirira ma postmortem ma Laura thutha wake gukua ari ICU thibitari-ini wa Naikuru PGH. Laura acemanirie na mutino wa kurathukirio rithathi thano ni abithaa umwe wa borithi utuku wa tariki 12 mweri uyu kirabu-ini giake kiria kiri gicigo-ini mbunge kia Naikuru ya ithwiro.
It is very unfortunate that Laura, being a young lady who is 31 years old and she was still pursuing her doctor, a PhD, she has just died like that. This is a case of extrajudicial killing.
Riu family ya Laura igithingata thirikari gwetha kihoto kia Laura oro hamwe na MWENA uria wari muruti wa wira wa kirabu-ini giki na uria wakuire agitengerio thibitari-ini thutha wake kuhurwo rithathi.
The team they are working very well. We have also witnessed what has happened during the postmortem, and I think they have done a great work. They have done what the doctor has just said.
We are condemning it very highly. We hope the law will take its course.
Marigitari aria matafanetie postmortem ya Laura magikira mukonde ati gutire rithathi irari mwiri-ini wa Laura na kiria kiracungiririe gikuo kia Laura ni kwaga thakame na ho ciega ciake guthukangio ni rithathi iria ciaingirire mwiri-ini wake.
Katika hiyo uchunguzi tumeona alikuwa na 5 entry gunshot wounds na tumeidentify 5 exit gunshot wounds. Hiyo ni kama ya kusema huo mwili haukuwa risasi yote ilimpiga ilitoka. Kwa hivyo mwili haukuwa na risasi yoyote.
Ona kuri uguo aria marutithanagia wira na Laura magithie na mbere guthingata thirikari oro hamwe na munene wa borithi gutigirira abithaa uyu ni atacukirio ikinya irumu ria kiwatho kuona maugite migendere ya abithaa uyu ikoretwo iri migonyoku.
Officers are the people who are supposed to take care of our security issues. So anytime we have them around, we tend to think that even the robbers, if anybody will decide and think of coming to rob this place, we are always very safe. We assure we have officers and they are armed. But it's unfortunate because the same people that are supposed to be taking care of us, the same people that are supposed to protect our interest and be the security of this place, are the same people that have turned to be very insecure and killing innocent people.
Maya magithiaga na mbere abithaa uyu Nicholas Musao ni arakinyitio mbere ya mucirithania munene Ruth Kefa na kuria mucirithania munene arahire maabithaa uthuthuria a DCI thikũ 7 niguo kũngania wĩra oro hamwe na kumutwara thibitari-ini niguo athurimwo ũgima mwega wake wa kimeciria na kuria cira wake ugathikĩrĩrio tariki 21 mweri uyu igoti-ini ria Naikuru. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, njĩtagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.